Hit the road, don't even check out, cause they told me ice my neck out. Been humble for too long and I stay strong so I can flex now. Walking with my chest out, I walk past, they put their head down. Don't know why y'all mad, my pockets fat cause I'm a cash cow. Always been a stand-up girl, no funny, now I stand out. You wanna rock, I'll roll with it, what I'ma bring the
guys, what's up my family gang? So, if you're new here, make sure you don't forget to hit that bell, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. You don't want to miss none of the stuff we got going on over here because we always got something going on.
Always.
And in today's video, what we have for y'all is spicy bowls. We're going to be making the spicy bowls. And the ingredients we have today to make those spicy bowls are pickled eggs, Big Mama sausages, Slim Jims, we have the red chili peppers, we have the Texas Pete hot sauce, we have the banana peppers, we have pickles, we also have the seasonings you see in front of you, as well as the hot, what are these, cheddar and sour cream chips that we're going to be eating with it. Mm-hmm. It's a little mukbang, and we're about to go ahead and get started with our bowls, because it's going to get spicy in here. Hot. Okay, you guys, so now we're going to start with our bowls. What you starting with first? Let's get ourselves some knives.
I want the pink one.
That's a red, but okay. I'm going to do the banana peppers first.
I'm going to do the pickles.
Okay, so these are fresh banana peppers, actually. I want to get a couple, and I want to put some of the juice in there.
I'm gonna cut mine in half.
So let me know in the comments below, have y'all tried spicy bowls? Because I know they're popular in Florida, and I know people in New Orleans make them as well. I just want to try them because I love me some spicy stuff. Missy, I know you don't like spice. Put the Slim Jim, and I'm gonna cut it up, as well as cutting up my.
I'm gonna put in my red crushed peppers.
Ooh. You're probably supposed to do the seasoning last.
Well, I'm just not doing that.
Oh, you're gonna make it how you want to. Sorry. And you guys, what did y'all do today? Because today I did nothing. My husband actually works like night, so I just be chilling
Waiting for me to get home,
with him,
you know?
waiting for my girl to get home. I have my Big Mama I'm going to use next. We're going to drain the juice out of it in the bowl first and then chop this baby up. Well, we don't even got that much juice in the bowl, in the pack. So we're going to chop this up, this Big Mama. Yes.
Taking apart my Slim Jim. No, I see that.
Yes, Zoryi, we did. And I'm cutting up my Big Mama. What you got, Big Mama, too? Haha. Okay, y'all. So, I got pickles. I got this. I got that. Let me get some of these. These are actually spicy red sandwich spread pickled, those little things. And I thought it'd be good in this because it's a little spicy to spice it up a little bit more. Whew, I can smell the spice, baby.
Not that I can smell the spice,
baby. Okay, pickled egg time, guys.
I'm really focused over here.
Let me go wash off my spoon so I won't put all the stuff that I have or everything else in the pickled egg.
I'm gonna add these spicy red pickle spread stuff that mom used because, you know, that little something.
Okay, so I'm going to get an egg out.
Smells like spicy.
I'm going to do 2 eggs because I love me some pickled eggs. How many you want? 1?
Let's get, I want 2. I love me some pickled eggs.
Me too.
Me personally, pickled eggs.
And with the pickled eggs, y'all, pour some juice in y'all's bowl. Okay. And now I'm gonna cut up my eggs. And then we're gonna season this baby. So now we're about to cut up the eggs.
I'm gonna cut mine in half. That's I'm not gonna be like too fancy with it.
I'm gonna cut mine like in fours.
And last but not least, the paprika. You don't want a lot of this because like it's really spicy.
So we're like, I'm not gonna get so much of that myself.
And then I'm gonna add in the hot sauce.
Okay, you guys. So now I'm gonna add in the slappy mammy. Yum. Sprinkle that around. Then we're gonna go ahead and go in with some red fresh chili. But I'm not gonna get a lot because I did put red peppers like in there already. The wet kind.
And I'm all done. Just a little more. Because I love Mexican. Me personally, just occasional day.
Paprika and some hot sauce.
Okay, I kind of want to try it a little bit.
Okay, we need our chips. And guys, let me show y'all up close. Well, I didn't even cut my pickles. Hold on.
I should got mine up close. Yeah, it's real spicy, y'all.
Is it spicy?
Not really. I can't really taste the spice too much. Oh no, there is.
So y'all, this is what it looks like. If y'all can see that. Hopefully y'all can see that.
Get to the thick of it.
Okay, y'all. So they say eat it with chips. So we got the hot sour cream and cheddar.
I thought this was gonna be terrible. It actually
Cheddar
tastes
sour
good.
cream. Good. Red little chip. And we're gonna go in with this and see what we get. Yeah. Okay. So I was wondering, like, if you really taste good or not. Okay. You can get the regular sour cream, cheddar and sour cream if you want. I'm actually feeling this. Let me try with an egg.
It's spicy though.
It is spicy. But you know, in New Orleans and stuff like that, Florida and stuff, they like little spicy stuff. Let me try with Slim Jim too. I think it's good. If you like,
We should have had waters on hand.
if you like spicy stuff and pickled stuff, this is the perfect little thing for you, Big Mama. It's got a unique taste, but it's good though. So Zoryi, how was school today?
Good. We made, in culinary class, we made shrimp pasta.
So let me just tell y'all, my daughter is dual enrolled in high school, so she take culinary classes, college classes, as well as the regular culinary in school. So they make something every day, right? They make a different dish every day. And today y'all made
Shrimp pasta.
shrimp pasta. I love me some shrimp pasta. I wish I can bring it home. Right.
And we did this regular English stuff and geometry. Actually, I had a quiz today.
Is it hard?
Yeah, I had a headache. Like, I came out that class with a headache.
Really?
Yeah. We did trig in geometry class. And trig is pretty difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you're doing good in it.
Mm-hmm. And it's finished. We just did like regular stuff, really.
Let us know in the comments below what grade are y'all kids in. And if you got high schoolers, I pray for you.
What was you doing today?
Me?
Yeah.
Well, me and Dad went to Burger King for lunch. And I got a Whopper that I could not finish because it was like so big. My teeth is hot. Woo! I just wanted to make this video today so we can try this out. Cause I actually seen it on TikTok and I've been wanting to try it, but we never got around to doing it. But today was the day that we just decided to try it. It is spicy, y'all. If you don't like spicy stuff, don't do it.
This stuff is hot.
I really love the pickles in it.
I already ate all the Slim Jim.
The pickles is the best. You like the Slim Jims in it too?
Yeah.
Taste this one out. Y'all, that was a good idea. The Slim Jims is a good addition. The Slim Jims are good in it.
And the sausage, bro.
That's what a good way to eat a Slim Jim. Now, with Big Mama sausages, we usually eat those with sunflower seeds. I also eat pickled eggs with sunflower seeds. They real good.
We bustin', bro. We bustin'.
Yes. So, what are we gonna do when we get out of high school? Are we gonna be a chef or?
I'm gonna go to college for culinary, and then go to college again for business. I'll probably go to a school
You're
for
really
culinary.
going to dual enroll for?
Yeah, so probably I'll go to a school for culinary and then go to college for business, which should be like around 4 years, I think.
Depends on if you want an associate's degree or bachelor's degree.
Yeah. And I'm already saving up so I can get me a little apartment.
Oh, that's good.
And working at Dairy Queen. You know,
What advice would you give to any people that's coming into high school? New people that's going to be in high school next year? Since you're a high schooler and your experience in high school.
Well, you're going to meet a lot of people. Probably, you meet a lot of people. And some people that you meet, they're the kind of people that you need to talk to. So, best advice I can give for you is just to focus on yourself and your work, because people, well, some people you'll meet and they'll be like your best friends forever. Like, I'll be talking after high school too. But like, for now, just like focus on yourself and on your schoolwork, because really, that's really all you got in life. Because most of the time, friends don't last, and that's you gotta learn that soon in life. Like, you can't be thinking that you're gonna be.
I'm glad she found that out early in life. My mom used to always tell me, "Girl, that ain't your friend. That ain't your friend." Sooner or later, they show their true colors. And I'm like, dang, I'm mad my mom was right. Now you be mad when your mama right when you young. But
I can't wait to work at Dairy Queen because I get to get free desserts, bro. Ooh.
she want to work at Dairy Queen. Cause here, sweet tooth. That's why y'all see she did that sweet tooth challenge and she finished it. That's why.
Yeah, I like ice cream. I'll be getting every dessert to watch. I'm not gonna bring it home though, but I mean, I guess.
How'd you like the spicy bowl?
Good. It's pretty.
Is it something that you eat like just to try every now and then?
Yeah, not like the everyday kind of thing.
Right. Exactly. For me, the spicy bowl was good. I still got some in my bowl. She do too. Y'all should try it. Missy, I know you're not gonna try because you don't like hot stuff. So I think we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up.
On to the next.
Thank you so much, you guys, for sitting here watching, chatting with us today. We had so much fun creating this video. The spicy bowl was good. Thumbs up to Florida, New Orleans for the spicy bowls. And once again, if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that bell, like, share, and subscribe. See you on our next video.
Bye.
Bye, you guys.
Love y'all.
Hit the road, don't even check out, cause they told me ice my neck out. Been humble for too long and I stay strong so I can flex now. Walking with my chest out, I walk past, they put their head down. Don't know why y'all mad, my pockets fat cause I'm a cash cow. Always been a stand-up girl, no funny, now I stand out. You wanna rock, I'll roll with it, well I'ma bring the band out.